All right, y'all. Let's go. All right, y'all. There is a wind chill of like -20. Wind chill of -20 this morning. And I mean, I'm just stepping out here to give y'all an idea of how cold it is. They are calling this an Arctic polar blast. And it is Arctic polar blasting the hell out of Franklin County right now. Okay. All right, it's cold as hell over here. Okay, I'm stepping back in because this is husky weather and they got the fur for this shit. I don't. So I'm taking my black ass back in the house because my face is going numb and they want to run around act crazy. Okay, go right ahead. I think my throat box is freezing up.